In this video, we are going to discuss some of the steps, how we are going to build a design system. But before that, before we move into that, we are going to look at different things we already have. So whenever we are going to start building our design system, we are going to start with what we already have. So there are basically two or three stakeholders groups that are going to be present for for looking into what already we have and what problems we already have. So start with your CEOs, your product managers, your marketing manager, and also with your developer team and your design team. So ask them, all of them, what they already have, what they need, what are their problems. So we are going to ask these stakeholders what they already have. So what they already have is called UI inventory. You have to build that. So we are going to see some of the steps in the next slide. So before that, we have to look at all the different platforms or surfaces, basically surfaces that are going to be the part of our design system. For example, you might need email templates for marketing. You might need blog post templates or blog post designs for marketing. So you have to understand that your design system is not only going to be your web or mobile app, but it is also going to touch all different surfaces. For example, marketing, for example, acquiring new customers from Facebook ads. So there will be a lot of different you can say surfaces attached to your design system. So let's move to the next one and we are going to see all the steps. Now we are going to look at 7 different steps that we need to take to create our design system. So again, as I already said, that we are going to start with what we already have. So we are going to take inventory of what we already have today. So we are going to take our UI inventory. There is a lesson on UI inventory. I'm going to show you how to do that. And this next step is getting everyone on board with your design system, your developer team, your design team, your CEOs, your managers, or other stakeholders. You have to get them on board that we really need to develop our design system. Third is establish the baseline components. So baseline components are basically the major components that are going to be the building blocks of your system, your mobile app or your website. Without that, you cannot build anything. So these are the baseline components. We are going to build all that. For example, your buttons, drop downs, all that things, forms. Then we have color palettes, typography, scales. Typography and colors is, I think, the main major theming component of your design system. That is going to define your brand language, your design outline. So it is going to decide where your design is actually going, in what direction. So fifth is standardize these across your products. So don't try to overdo your design system. In the start, you have to create just simple things. You don't have to create a lot of complex design system or very big design system. So first you have to standardize those all colors, color palettes, those typography, typefaces across all your platforms, your mobile app, website. They should look almost harmonious, I think, not identical, but harmonious, and they should look like they are part of a same system or a product or a company. Then we have to integrate the design system with our process. So we have to build a process of how we are going to create our design system, how we are going to implement that, how our designs from Figma or from our design system in our design tool is going to process towards the developers, in which format, whether we are going to use JSON language, coding language, or CSS or HTML, whatever. So you have to create a process. Then the last one is maintain your design system. We have to maintain it because design system is going to be ever evolving. You cannot have a design system that is static for like 5 years. You have to create new components. You might not need a component or a button. You have to create maybe after 1 or 2 years you have to create new theme for your whole design system. Maybe you need a dark theme and a light theme for your design system. So there will be changes that you have to maintain. So there will be a team of designers or maybe one developer that is going to help you build or keep or maintain your design system. So that is all. These are all the steps of building a design system. 7 steps. We are going to discuss a little bit more in the next few lessons, and then we are going to do Figma, and we will start our basic design system in Figma. Till then, take care. Let's see you and meet you soon in the next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.